Namaskar. Welcome to fortune telling training. We are going to discuss a chart today which belongs to our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. It is a chart analysis, birth chart analysis. All the points are discussed here and the analysis is given and the prediction part is left to you because my aim is to train people. I'm a teacher. So instead of my giving conclusion, I will try to give astrological combinations and decisive principles with which you can predict. So this is the chart. This is the chart of Sri Narendra Modi. Date of birth is 17 September 1950 and the time is disputable because some say it is 11 o'clock and some say it is corrected to 12:09. So whatever it is, in both the cases, the Lagna is Vrishchika, and that I take it that Lagna is Vrishchika only. Based on that, I apply the principles of astrology and certain rules which are the part and parcel of my parampara learning. Now, Lagna is Vrishchika Lagna. Now, first, let us take the happy side of the points. Here, the first point is Lagnadipati. Mars is in Lagna. In Simhasana, fourth Kendra, Jupiter is retro. Bhilashi, Vakri, and he gains the Ucha dignity. This is my Parampara teaching. Therefore, in Kendra, to Lagna, Ucha Guru is there. And who is in Simhasana? That is Simhasanamsha. That is fourth house is Simhasanamsha. Ninth Lord, Moon is in Lagna. Less than 90 degrees from the Sun, acts like Mercury. This is also my Parampara learning. So he acts like Mercury is in Lagna. Lagna Lord in Lagna. Lagna Lord is a kind planet for Bhava analysis. He is also cruel planet. That is secondary part. First we will take it because we are doing some happy side of it. We will take him as Lagna Lord. And Lagna Lord sitting in the Lagna strengthens the Lagna. Ninth Lord sitting in the Lagna also strengthens the Lagna. And it is debilitated. But whenever there is a Jupiter is in Kendra and a Lagna Lord is with the Moon, the debilitation effect is reduced. So the ninth Lord effect of reduced effect of ninth Lord reduced effect is not considered here. So he is taken as a ninth Lord is taken as a Shubha. Therefore, two Shubha houses, two Shubha Lords sitting in the Lagna and Kendra, there is Jupiter. Then Simhasana, fourth Simhasana house, this fourth house, is having his own Lord, that is Saturn own Lord, is aspecting it. Along with Rajyat Rajya Lord. Even Venus also aspect. What is Rajyat Rajya? That is seventh is the Rajyat Rajya. 10th from the 10th. Rajyat Raja. So therefore, both are saying Rajyat Rajya and the Rajya. In the Rajya, Saturn and Venus both are saying the Simhasana Amsha. Jupiter is Dharma. Rajya Simhasana Dharma Yoga. Then Rajyat Raja, 7th, is having one Lord in Kendra. That is, his own Lord, 7th Lord, he is sitting in the Kendra. That is, even the Rajyat Raja, 7th, is also getting very good strength. Addition, having aspect of Simhasana, 4th Adipati, Saturn from Rajya. From Rajya, again, Saturn is also having aspect on the Rajyat Rajya. So that is another additional qualification. Saturn aspect 12th, Chuti, that is naturally, if the present condition is Chuti, means resigning or it is left, then at Simhasana, then what happens? Then the next thing is he himself is going to grant regain the Simhasana. Right. Now, Dasha is of Mars up to 2028. Mars Dasha is there. Mars also seeing the 4th aspect here, Simhasana. Right. Then Rajya, from Rajya, the Saturn is seeing, one Lord is seeing the Simhasana. Venus, Rajyat Raja Lord also seeing Simhasana. Bhukti is of Jupiter from 10/5/2023 to 14/4/2024. So Bhukti is Simhasana again. And then Saturn Bhukti, 15/4/24 to 25/5/2025, Saturn Bhukti is there. Therefore, during the entire election period, whenever the Simhasana will be retained by the native. Simhasana and Rajya seems to be well supported. You can guess what is in 2024. Where is all happy side of it. Next thing, unhappy side to be taken care. Achadana of Rahu and Lagna. That is, Rahu is approaching Lagna. He is in the 9th to the Lagna. Therefore, the Rahu Lagna, and he is a dispositor of, and Jupiter dispositor of Rahu being in Kendra to Lagna. And this Jupiter, because Rahu is sitting in Jupiter's house, Jupiter becomes Rahu's dispositor, and he is in Kendra to Lagna. Mars, a cruel planet. Now we take Mars as a cruel planet. In Lagna, also Lord of 6th. Now, see, this is how the bifurcation of the qualities and the dignities has to be arranged to derive at the right analysis points. Now, 6th house enemies in Lagna, secret enemies hatching plots. That is, there is the minus point here. Jupiter as Rahu aspects the 8th. Jupiter is aspecting the 8th house, right? 8th house, Dusthana. Mars also aspects the 4th house, as well. That is Jupiter, and also the 7th and 8th houses. 7th is Marakasthana, 8th is Dusthana. Saturn aspects 7th house. Saturn also aspects 12th house. Right? Saturn also aspects the 4th house. So for the Simhasana, there is some sort of danger is involved here. Right? Mercury as 8th Lord, exalted, by retro acts debilitated, but Ketu covers it to reverse debilitation. That is Parampara, according to Parampara astrology. Therefore, Mercury retains his exalted position. Right? And he is with Ketu Dvaja and Sun Kirti. So he is the Sun Ketu is Dvaja Kirti, and he is the 10th Lord, and Ketu success. And though all the 8th Lord getting exalted and becoming a with the 10th lord, they all whole of the negativity can overcome by the native. And Dvajakirti, their success is guaranteed. We'll have overcome attacks, insults, injuries. Yes, we'll have overcome attacks, insults, injuries of opposition, including foreign. Some sort of the planning will be going on, but it is not that good period. You should be careful also. Jupiter dispositor of Rahu, though owns fifth and second house by position, his dispositor being fourth house of alert. His dispositor being Jupiter sitting in the fourth house, and that is alert, secret alert. Alert security may avert untoward incidents. Securities will made alert, right? Because 10th is a very active sign. From there, Saturn and Venus both are activating Saturn activating his own house, fourth house. Therefore, it will be all the secrets will be taken out and proper actions will be taken. Possibilities are there, and the period of Jupiter is 15/5/2023. That is 10/5/2023 to 14/4/2024. This is the period where Jupiter is running his bhukti, and who is causing all this? Eighth house problems, sixth house enemy house, seventh house Maraka, eighth house. All these things are operative. Therefore, this instant has to be prayed upon, and blessings has to be taken. Right. All the Modi followers should pray. Mutual aspect of seventh lord to Bhukti lord. Shadow Maraka effect, who also represent Rahu. Shadow Maraka effect. That is some sort of Chaya effect. Maraka effect may come and go. Saturn Ayurdhara Karaka reduces the Maraka effect of Venus. Therefore, because Saturn and Venus are friends, Saturn as a Karaka of Ayurdhaya, and he reduces the effect of Maraka effect of the Venus. Of course, he has blessings of Goddess Durga and Sita Ramanjanaya, Mercury, Sun, Ketu, Venus, Saturn, all combination gives. But Bhukti of Jupiter will be a testing period. That is from 10th 10/5/2023 from May onwards to next April 14/4/2024. This period is a must-watch period. And of course, Modi himself is a saint. He has got blessings. The dangers can be overcome, but it is not. It is going to be a testing period, right? Now, for this support, unhappiness, how it can overcome, whether it will overcome or not, we have to see the Ayurdhaya. Ayurdhaya, Lagnadipati in Lagna, first point. In fourth Kendra, Jupiter, second point. In 10th Kendra, Ayurdhaya, Karaka, Saturn, aspecting the Jupiter, right? Then the Rahu Achadana does not matter as he acts like Jupiter. So Rahu is sitting in the Jupiter house. He acts like a Jupiter. Therefore, there is, except for that secret effects, otherwise everything will be fine. Fifth house is comparatively weak in comparison to Lagna, ensuring long. There's eighth house. There's a typing of mistake. It is not fifth house. I'll correct it. Eighth house is comparatively weak. Eighth lord is in debilitation. Then he is with the Ketu, then Sun. And somehow, which is the strength is not that good. Therefore, it naturally for a better Ayurveda, Lagna should be strong and eighth house should be lesser strong. Then, and it ensures longer life. Eighth lord, 10th lord, and Ketu in 11th house, it is indicating some sort of sannyasa yoga also. So therefore, Ayurdhara is supporting. Therefore, this is a passing phase. This 1 year of passing phase that will go away. That is another thing. But problem will come. Lot of problem will come. A lot of problems from May onwards. It will be very severe. All corners, including foreign countries, a lot of problems will come, and he will face it. And he is a lion. He will face it. Right now, his karma is itself in the Leo, and his seventh lord is also karmat. Karma is also in the Leo. In karmas also, karma sign only. Therefore, he will fight for it. The whole idea is evil and benefic, graha synthesis. The synthesis of evil and benefic and how it should be taken separately is more important. It's the key factor for fortune telling. Now, I have given you only the points. Now you understand what you don't have to think of prediction. The analyst will give you a fair idea of what will be, how the 2024 election will be for Modi, and how Modi will face the adversities and how Modi will survive without any problem. So this is what I wanted to say. Thank you very much. So kind of you.